Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 screen button settings. If you want to do a setup of these three screen buttons, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for system or system management settings. Here the system management, just tap on it, and here you just have to select system navigation, select it, and here you'll get the all button settings. Here you can easily customize the order of these buttons. You can easily change the order of buttons by this one, but if you want to change the shape of the button, you just have to use this section. Here you can easily change the shape of the buttons, but if you want to use gesture navigation on your phone, you just have to enable these settings. Just tap on it and then briefly wait for 1 or 2 seconds, and the setting will be enabled. Now let's see how can you use this setting. You just have to scroll it to edges to go back. To go to home screen, just scroll it up. Now if you want to see your recent apps, you just have to press and scroll up this bar just like this, and you will see your all recent apps. So that's how you can easily set your screen buttons settings on your Vivo Y19 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.